Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from a company called Homiah. I forgot that I cut off the bottom and then the stuff came out of the bottom, but that's okay. They're sealed. But yeah, Homiah. This is their Singaporean laksa. You can go to Homiah, HOMIAH.com and check out the stuff there. This is Laksa paste. This is their Laksa noodles. Upside down, sorry about that. They're basically rice noodles. And yeah. We're doing this. We did it yesterday. This is, I don't want to mix these up. This is the red curry. And that was really quite wonderful stuff. This how? Okay, I see what I'm doing here. Okay. Yeah, lots of meal. So I'm gonna do it for less time today. Set those right there. Turn that down. This is not what I'm doing today. This is what I'm doing today. The laksa. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna take this here, open it up, dump it in the pot. Now, I mentioned making this with water, but I can't do it. I'm gonna use the coconut milk. I want it rich as can be. You can get these little boxes of coconut milk from Homiah.com as well, which I think is rad. These are like, if you really like coconut milk, you could just walk around with one of these little boxes and just chug it all day long. That would be, I wouldn't do that. I like coconut milk, but just not that much. There we go. All the coconut milk. There's that. Turning it down, putting this over here, picking this up, walking you through every single step of what I'm doing, thinking to myself, grabbing a piece of paper towel, cleaning up a slight mess of what do you call it? The stuff. Yeah. Now I'm going to turn the heat on here. Not super hot. And these two things should be done about the same time. Big fan of laksa. I enjoy laksa. Actually, a laksa product has been #1 on my top 10 list for the last, I think it's 7 years now, which is quite a while. That's a lot of, in laksa years, that's a long time. So yeah, what's going on? Been doing my walking thing. Happy to say that I just did the most. It's the 27th, the 28th of October 2022. I just got the most distance of walking in a month since June of 2021. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, it's been rainy, windy, funky. We finally have come to the season of fall here. Not last Sunday, but the Sunday before it, it was 91 degrees and it was smoky. And now it's like the smoke is gone, the humidity is back. Not too bad. And it's nice and cool though. It's like in the mid 40s to low 50s. So, and then there's that. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can you see it? Yeah, see that big box right there, that box? I just did like 3 unboxing videos yesterday or the day before, and I'm still working on editing and posting them. I've got the first one done. Actually, this will be after this I'll have 5 unboxing videos to edit and post. Yeah. I haven't even done the one for the Homiah stuff. So at least I'll have some images to throw with it, which that's always nice. I'm going to grab a fork, give this a stir. stir. I don't want to overdo this. I really don't want to. Oh my, that's decent. That is good. This needs to come up a little bit. I think I'm going to throw my shrimp in right now. Got some shrimp that's thawed. I'm throwing that in this pot along with the other wonderful things. And I'm going to go over here again and grab a paper towel because, you know, you can't have enough dryness of hands. That's what I'm in the mood for right now. Not having wet hands. And I will have a sip of my beverage. Yeah. So, what do they call that day? Monday is Halloween. And I'm going to take the kids trunk or treating. I've never done that before. We didn't have that when I was a kid. Trunk or treat. I don't think this has much to go, so I'm just going to throw in a lot of mung bean sprouts. When I was in Malaysia, I really learned that the mung bean sprout is a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful thing. But there's a trick with mung bean sprouts. You don't want to, I don't like when they look just way too, you got a dish, you got mung bean sprouts, and you don't want it just to look like a big pile of bleached white junk in the middle of it, you know? I'm not a fan of that. So I like to have some cooked down a little bit. That's what I'm doing right now. Let's drain off this rice noodle because I think we're about there. There's that. And how are we looking here? We're good. I don't want to overdo this. I don't want to overdo it. And knowing is half the battle when it comes to yes. And we're ready with this. I'm gonna go with this bowl today. I like this bowl. God, if I can, I really don't know where I got this bowl. It's a made in Japan, so I either got it at Homiah or at H Mart. You know what I miss is Daiso having somewhat interesting and cool bowls. I got really great bowls at Daiso back in the day. Now their bowl selection is kind of, whoa, why is this shot like that? I don't know. It is a rather deep bowl. So let's drop rice noodle in. And pull it up a little bit. All right. Now we got our wonderfulness coming in. My wife's out there sleeping and in the living room, and she watches a lot of these shows about like true crime stuff, and every once in a while I like listen in on it, and they're like talking about all this crazy stuff like, I didn't know what true evil was until, yeah, let's try this. Ooh, rice noodle. I think this is going to come out better than yesterday. I've actually got a review that I'm actually doing 2 of them today. Wow, look at me. I haven't been doing 2 reviews a day in a while, and I got to get back to my craft. Now we're talking. He had a deadly plan back in 1986. I wonder what that one. Cleaning the skeletons and then selling the skeletons for profit. I've got a buddy, Matt Bella. You can go to mattbella.com, BELLAH. He actually has done he's an author, and he's done a bunch of true crime stuff. I don't know, it's just like, I don't know, it is Halloween-ish time. But I just don't understand the fascination with criminals, but that's cool. A lot of people really dig checking that stuff out. I really want these to get more showcaseability. And the shrimp, it would have helped if I had the shrimp. That's a little better. Yeah, you guys come over here. I want you to look nice. The last one I did came out looking pretty nice, I think, so I want to do the same here. It's my happy little noodle. God, what's his name? Bob Ross. Gotta love Bob Ross. Take your noodles and put them in there. Happy little noodles. It's not working the way I thought it would. I thought there would be more of a separation between the coconut milk and the Laksa, like the oils in the Laksa paste, but it's not. It's very monotone. Speckled, lovely looking, and quite good. It's got a nice sweetness. It's very, very savory and tasty, but sometimes I have trouble getting bowls to look the way I want. That's just me. I have no expertise in anything. I'm gonna use this. This Malaysian chili crisp is basically, it's what you call Haibi Hiam, and there's a Haibi Hiam variety that's on my top 10 list, which is basically noodle and this delightful stuff together. Oh my god. So it's got like prawn. I'm gonna call it Belacan. It's crisp, it's delightful, makes everything wonderful. Can't go wrong with that stuff. I would say if you're a big fan of like Laogan Ma, rush to that Homiah site, HOMIAH.com, and get that chili crisp or the sambal. I've got the jar right here. Homiah Malaysian crispy sambal. Get that. Get it immediately. You will be glad you did. Let's rotate. Yeah. All right, well, thanks for watching. Yeah, head on over to Homiah.com and check out Michelle's products over there. The next one you're going to see is from a company called Colson out of Pakistan, and this is Noodle Doodle Chunky, Chunky Chicken. If you like chicken and noodles and doodles, this is what you want. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Noodle, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.